Hello, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because we are about to create a packaging. So we are going to design a subscription box for a self-care company. So that's going to be fun. This is totally made up. This is a client brief that I found on Instagram and that we are going to use for today's video. So we will need to make a logo, secondary logo, and then maybe some sub marks. We'll see, but I really want to do the packaging and I want to focus this video on the packaging design and how I bring the packaging I'm going to make on a mock-up. We are going to design and create this together on today's video. First, I'm going to show you the Pinterest board I have made for it because I wanted to pick some inspiration and see what other subscription brands are doing on their end, and I'm going to show you then the mood board I came up with. So we're going to find and create a color palette. I also find some really cool fonts on Invento Element and some really cool box mockup on Invento Elements as well. So we're going to choose all of that together. If you're new here, my name is Justine Lamer here on YouTube. I love to talk about graphic design, branding, and other different creative apps, how to use them, etc. So if you're interested in watching more of those kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, let's get right into Pinterest. Since this is a self-care subscription box, I only look for face masks and different lotions for your face, and trying also to find something relaxing. I also put some packaging of like design, bottle design, like self-care design, see shampoo. I really love the vibe of this picture over here, so I don't think I put that one on my mood board though, so we will see. But yeah, now that we have these, let's see our mood board, because I have made the mood board also already. So right into Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, I took those greenish, orangish color over here. And also I loved this font. So we'll see if I can find something similar as well, and then we're going to start create some stuff. So let's go back quick to the Pinterest board, just because as you can see here, I took this just because I think I am going to try to draw a couple of those elements, because this is all like self-care for your body, your face, all of that. So I was thinking that maybe we could recreate those, like drawing those to make like a pattern and make some icons for the brand. Next point, which is choosing the font and the mockup we're going to use. So we're going to choose that together, and to do so we have to go into Invento Element. So here we are into Invento Element. So we're going to start by the font. So I wrote down like 5 fonts that I would love to try to use for this logo, for this like self-care subscription box. So I have a collection on Invento Element. So we're going to start with the fonts, view collections, and so the actual fonts I think will match with what I want to go for this brand is Branch. So this one over here sounds really cool. I really like how the C and the H are going together. I also wanted to try the no mark one. Really like this as well, and the feminine curve of it. Kind of wanted to tap the glisten, but it sounds a little thick to me. I kind of wanted something like a little less thick. So we'll see. I kind of want to try it out anyways. I really wanted to go for the distro one, one of them, and the last one is the Nike. Yeah, so if I don't like any of the one that I suggested, we can, find something pretty stylish over here. Sounds good. Alright, next it's about the mockups. So for the mockups, I have 11 items right now in my collections. I only did boxes and cosmetic bags. So I was thinking that I could do 2 packaging design on this video. One will be the actual box that the brand Take Care will send to their customers. And also inside this box you will have access to like a cosmetic bag, you know, like a free gift with your subscription. So why not use one of those? I kind of like this one, so maybe we can, you know, find something really nice about it. And then we have the box, so we have to choose. I'm not gonna do all those boxes, so I'm gonna choose the boxes I kind of want to go for. Every time I choose a mock-up, I look if they have different way to show the box or like to show the mock-up. For example, this one, this is how the product is going to look, but they have also this way, that way, and like they have multiple way to show the box, so I kind of like that. So this is what you go for, and you can also see the inside, so I think that can be a winner. And my fonts are already downloaded and ready to use on Adobe Illustrator, so I'm going to come up with a quick logo, some illustrations, and we are going to make our packaging design. So this is what we have right now. Here we have branch, no mark, deny, distro or destro, and gluten. I kind of want to have like a uppercase here and lowercase there, so those two are not gonna work out. They're really cool, but I don't want them to be all uppercase and they don't do lowercase, so I will have to choose in between those. And that's funny because they all have a different weight, so, and I cannot change. They all regulars, they all have one weight, so I'm going to have to see which one I like most. So I think I'm going to go with this one and maybe try to do something about it. With for the brand Take Care. I just used colors from the mood board, but I added a little bit more tones. Those colors look really good all together. I changed a little bit of the T and C and put them a little bit together with a nice little effect over here. Love how he ended up, but now we need to make illustrations. So I'm going to add some artboard, Pinterest, to make those little icons. So I'm gonna use this picture as a reference, probably going to draw over it to make some feel cool or make some shapes, and then we're going to also use some masks. Let's see, we are going to obviously do one mask, so I just need to do this form, and then we are going to do some form of this one, maybe one like that, one like that. We'll see. Okay guys, we did it. We made 4 different little illustrations for the brand Take Care. So look at those beauty. So I made a face mask and 2 lotion tubes plus that little, I don't even know how you call it. Anyway, so now we're going to create a pattern out of those. up with for our two little patterns that we're gonna use for our packaging design. So the first one, it's all of our little icons all together to make a little cute and funny pattern, and the second one will be more like using the colors and the little brand sign all together. So I really love how it ended up. Okay, so I've selected, and it's already into Photoshop, the three little mock-up that we're gonna do to do our packaging. And so one is going to be this makeup bag, and then we have the outside of the box and the inside of the box. So we are going to make this happen together. You're gonna watch me design it, and then we will look at it and see how cool it looks at the end. First box complete. We did the outside. Yeah, so we did the outside, so this is how it looks now. I'm really happy with it. So on the side I put the TC, take care on the front, and take care on the side front. And I decided to keep the take care in black just to have like a huge contrast with the colors. And of course I changed the colors of the block on the back, so that looks pretty neat. Okay, let's do now, so we also do our makeup bag, so we're done with that. Let's do the inside of the box, which is the fun part because this is where we're going to add our pattern. So let's do that. Guys, took me quite a while, but we did it. We made our subscription box. Take care, and it looks just perfect. Alright, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is our box. So this is the above look design, and here is the inside. Ooh, that was good. Look at all those colors. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed making this with me, watching me design a subscription box for the brand Take Care, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, since there's going to be more of this kind of video now. And don't forget to like this video if you watch until the end. Don't leave yet, because I am going to do the brand reveal of Take Care with everything we've done today. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and now let me introduce you to Take Care.